Way number 1. Go to Maintain. Go to Manager. Go to Default. Press Factory Defaults. Input admin account password for confirmation. NVR will reboot afterwards. Now NVR is factory default with uninitialized status. Way number 2. Shut down the NVR. Don't forget to shut down the power button as well. Remove the upper cover with Phillips head screwdriver. Find the physical reset button. Press and hold the button. At the same time, boot NVR with power button. Keep holding the physical reset button for about 8 seconds. Now NVR is factory default with uninitialized status.